here to the front. Speaker.
'The remote is also working, sir.
Okay.
Mimics the wind. 25 degrees. 50 degrees. It takes around 30 minutes to 1 hour to purify the whole 100 square meters.
Okay. Now, do you think it's best to keep this next to a door? Like, where I want to put it is in the living room. We have a lanai door to go outside to the backyard. There's a space that I can put it there. Is that okay to do that?
It's okay, sir. Actually, since this one already has a circulator, it doesn't really matter where you put it because it's going to circulate the air in the whole room. Even if you put it in the middle or in the corners, it doesn't matter. That's a good thing if it's the circulator already.
This is cool too. This is the air wrap.